App है? Do you have that app? No. ये लो मेरे फोन से लो शिविका take it from my phone. एक सिद्धार्थ की भी लेना with the G-20
Very good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Siddharth, on behalf of G-20 International Business School, welcome you all for G20 Summit Quiz presented to you by the NSS unit of GIFTS. G-20 International Business School was established in the year 2004 under the aegis of G-20 Educational Society. The society is proudly running various other successful institutions in Delhi like G-20 Institute of Advanced Studies and Training, G-20 Jindal Public School and the Sovereign School. These institutions are well known among all stakeholders for quality education, decent infrastructure and location. G-20 International Business School is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India for Technical Programs and Bar Council of India for Law Programs. The institute is conducted programs like MBA, BBA, BLLB and BBLLB. GIFTS has been graded A by National Assessment of Accreditation Council in second cycle. GIFTS has been rated A+ by State Fee Regulatory Committee, a fee committee of Government of NCT of Delhi. It has been rated highest grading A by Joint Inspection Committee of Government of NCT of Delhi and GGS IP University since 2013 till date. It has been rated grade A by Academic Audit Cell of GGS IP University since 2012 till date. It has been ranked number 93 Pan India by the Last Seat Investment Journal 2017. GIFTS has also achieved 4-star ranking in IIC MOE ranking 2021. GIFTS has been ranked as number 49 in top 150 B schools in India, 34th in top 100 private institutions in India, and in 19 top 20 not B schools for MBA program by the Times Business School Survey 2022. Also, GIFTS has been rated as number 2 Pan India for its BBA program by Times Business School Survey in 2021, 19 and 2018. No introduction is required for the G20 Summit as we all know about the G20 and the quiz is all about that. Now I will hand over the session to Manisha.
Before we start with the session, let me just have Shivika take a picture. Everybody can raise a placard once.
Participants, I want to make one thing very clear. The question will be displayed with the options on the projector as well, but the placard shall be raised only after I complete my question and options to you. Before that, I am not taking any placards. Okay? Okay, moving on. So, with round 1. So, round 1 is all about the history of the G20 summit and I hope you guys are prepared for it. We will be asking you a set of questions. The questions will be displayed there also, and after each and every question you have to raise a placard. The one who will raise the placard first will be given the opportunity to answer, and if they answer correctly they will be given 2 marks, and if they do not answer it, there will be no negative marking. It will be shifted to the other person, and if they also fail to answer it correctly, then I will be the one telling you the right answer. Fine? Okay. So, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. The judgment for who's raising the placard is me and Chetna.
Okay. So please make it very clear and visible so that they can also see it clearly.
Are you able to see the projector even if I am standing here? Yes, so it's fine.
Now lights.
Lights dim.
Please.
Okay, for I think the first question, let's see, because otherwise the video is not going to come correct. Sir, एक बारी आप थोड़ा सा.
So the question is, when was G20 established? Option, I just said.
She has to complete the question with the options and then you raise it.
Fine. Question number 1. When was G20 established? Option A 1995, option B 1999, option C 1985, option D 2000.
Oh my God. A G में G A.
Option B.
Option B. Option B is the right answer. G20 was established in 1999 to bring together finance ministers and central bank governors to develop an.
So team A gets 2 points.
Yeah, 2 points.
The next question.
Question number 2.
And all please keep your hand up. You know, थोड़ा सा भी के लिए नीचे रखिए. फिर जब आप उठाएंगे तब हमें समझ में आएगा. The question will be asked then only you have to raise your hand. The strategy members at the back, the judgment can be done from there also. Sorry?
रिकॉर्ड करो फॉर द टाइम ताकि जिसका पहले
रिकॉर्ड सर करिए कि सबसे पहले कौन फ्लैग कार्ड रेज कर रहा है. ये भी आया थोड़ा सा. And Shrak sir and Simran ma'am is also helping us with this. So we have 4 panel members to this.
Okay. Question number 2. Where was the first summit of G20 held? Option A, USA. Option B, Britain. Option C, Canada. Option C, France.
ये फिर से होगा क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आपने दोबारा से किया. Put your hands down.
Okay.
Again the options, only the options.
The options are option A, USA. Option B, Britain. Option C, Canada. Option D, France.
G.
Option A, USA.
Option A, USA.
Yeah.
Is it the right answer?
The right answer.
G.
The first summit of G20.
G gets 2 marks.
Guys, explanation भी सुन लोगे तो पूरा नहीं मिलेगा. The first summit of the G20 was held in Washington in 2008. Question 3. Where is the headquarters of G20?
No. अगर अब किसी ने फ्लैग कार्ड पहले उठाया, that team is getting disqualified. Negative marking. ठीक है? So wait till the options are over.
Okay. Question number 3. Where is the headquarters of G20? Option A, Canada. Option B, USA. Option C, Mexico. And option D, Brazil.
अरे बाकी पैनल मेंबर तो सब कंफ्यूज है. टीम है.
Mexico.
Team F, what is the answer?
Mexico is the correct answer. So team F gets 2 marks. Okay, moving on to the
Everybody, all the panel members, थोड़े से ध्यान दो.
Moving on to the 4th question. What is the aim of G20? Option A, global financial stability. Option B, global peace. Option C, free trade agreement. Option D, none. Oh my God. Option A. Option A is global financial stability. Yeah, it is the right answer.
Alright.
Okay.
How many questions we are left with now?
5 more.
5 more questions. So all teams please back up. Chekna ma'am थोड़ा सा.
Question number 5. Kindly listen to the question very carefully. It is a statement-based question. Participants, it is a statement-based question. Kindly listen to the question very carefully. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding the G20? A. A. Now the G20 summits are attended by the finance ministers and central bank governors of the members of countries only. B. India never hosted any G20 summit. C. Its main aim is to eliminate poverty from the world. D. Its meetings are held annually. D.
Main is to eliminate poverty.
Shrek sir, which is sir?
Not possible.
He gets 2 marks.
Okay, moving on to another question. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the G20? Okay, now we have to guess the correct. In the meetings of the G20, the European Union is represented by the European Commissions and by the European Central Bank. B. The G20 economies account for around 45% of the gross world product. C. The G20 economies account for around 60% of world trade. D. The G20 economies account for around 40% of the world trade.
F. Question
फिर से ऑप्शन
क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ते
एक बार ऑप्शंस दोबारा
वो क्या क्वेश्चन
सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पढ़ दो ठीक है
ये तो हवा है
fine so only the question is read again and whoever raises the placard first now Subran ma'am please take care once
all right okay question is which of the following statement is correct regarding the G20
मैम अब तो नहीं उठा है मैम अब तो नहीं उठा है मैम नहीं उठा है
Moving on to the next question. To date, how many summits of G20 have been held? Option A 5, option B 9, option C 11, and option D. मैंने option D
सबको -2 दे दो
Guys, seriously, wait for a moment. When I'm done, just then do it. So that we
options
can
again options
okay. Option A 5, option B 9, option C 11, option D 17.
मैम हमने पहले था
17
Yeah, 7.
मैम ये बहुत सोच भी है
ये काम नहीं करना
सही है
मैम आप भी चल कम से कम ये तो क्योंकि भाई लेफ्ट टू नेक चले गए
मैम ऐसे नहीं होगा
Okay. Moving on to the next question. Which is the only country which has hosted the G20 summit twice till date? Option A, Italy. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, United States. Option D, India. Oh my God.
sorry I think
ध्यान कर रहे हैं मुझे
18 and USA
It is the right answer.
last
Two more questions are left for this round. Question number 9. Which country is a permanent guest of G20? So we'll let option A, Morocco. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Spain. Option D, Croatia.
DK मैम आंसर है C space
Yeah, it is the right answer. Question number 10. And it's the last question of this round. How many countries are there in G20? How many countries are there in G20? Option A 20 and the European Union, 19 and the European Union, 21 and the European Union, 18 and the European Union.
please
Just for us yeah
B
19 and the opportunity to come up and take
Excuse me, I have a question.
You don't have a question.
Please, ma'am. ये सुन तो ले. अगर किसी टीम ने गलत आंसर किया तो नेक्स्ट टीम पे पास होगा वो कुछ?
The question will not be passed.
नहीं, सिर्फ हमसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस निकल जाएंगे ना, ज़्यादा टीम निकल जाएगी क्यों?
पास ऑन नहीं आएगी पास ऑन
Pass on करूँ या answer ही दे दूँ?
bonus दे दो. Pass on.
Okay,
तो pass on की sequence क्या है?
एक हाँ ABCD पास on है और एक ही बार पास on है.
यहाँ pass on के लिए तो placard
हाँ pass on के लिए
दस टीम
बस देख लेना कौन था.
10 टीम थोड़ी 10 वो कैसे अकोमोडेट करूँ?
Pass on के लिए ABCD.
pass on के लिए ABCD उनसे pass on वाला question भी है
वो placard में भी फिर वही पड़ेगा.
तो उनसे pass on वाला question भी है
bonus. How much are they getting for this round?
2 marks.
No, keep it 5 and keep 1 for bonus. What is it for bonus? 2 for bonus.
Participants for each right answer here in this round you will be getting 5 marks and for every bonus question correctly answered you will be getting
Let's keep 10 and 5. That is the better.
5 marks. 10 for the
Right answer.
10 for the right answer and 5 for the bonus marks. Okay. So round 2, question number 1. Team A. Yeah. This question is particularly addressed to Team A. Okay. This country hosted the G-20 in 2012. Guess the name of the country.
Mexico. Option B.
Yeah, it is the right answer. Team B. Okay. Next question is, this country hosted the G-20 summit last year, that is 2022. Name the country.
Indonesia.
Question number 3.
So it is correct, so you have to tell correct.
Where's Team C?
Team C.
He is the former president of which country and who hosted the G20 summit in the year 2010? And your options are A. Gordon Brown, B. Lee Myung-bak, C. Tony Abbott, D. Stephen Harper.
Gordon Brown.
Wrong. The right answer is D. Stephen Harper.
अब तो आंसर आ गया. अब तो पास नहीं होगा.
Next question. हाँ, okay.
मैं पास नहीं होगा.
Team D. Okay. In which year the state hosted the G20 summit? The flag has been displayed. Your options are A. 2018, B. 2014, C. 2016, D. 2017.
2017.
It is the wrong answer.
Pass on.
Pass on. Team E. What is the right answer?
2018.
Yes, it is the right answer.
E for elephant.
Your question, Team E. Identify the country first. Just identify the country.
USA. Correct answer.
Correct answer.
Next.
Team F.
Moving on to next team, Team F. Which is Team F? In which year, in which 2 years this country hosted the G20?
Just the same question.
Yeah, this is the USA flag, but you have to tell in which 2 years they have
USA.
Not and AA.
Wrong answer.
Pass on.
Pass on.
It's option B.
Yes, right answer.
So what's your Team G gets a bonus.
And Team G, your question is, all of you keep your forms. All of you keep your forms. Otherwise, you will get eliminated.
D को भी bonus दे दो. हमने तो गलत किया. Team D also gets a bonus. बस ठीक है.
countries. You have to tell the capital of the country.
The flag is of Japan.
गलत हो गया हमेशा गलत हो गया
One second. You have to identify obviously the flag, right? Because you have to tell the capital.
So please do not tell us the flag.
Okay, flag का नाम.
नहीं, you just have to tell the capital of those countries.
क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हो? पहले वही क्वेश्चन पूछते हो.
मैम वो
आप मिस्टेक क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
Toronto
Okay, go
and
ahead,
Seoul.
Anisha.
Toronto and Seoul.
It's wrong.
One second. Who is the next?
Next team G.
But-
G के बाद.
G के बाद कौन है? I H. Sorry.
मैम पास आउट हो सकता है पास आउट हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में
One second.
मैम बैग भी तो हो सकता है.
मैम पास ऑन कर दो ना हमारा
क्या
बैग भी तो उसमें.
बैग नहीं होता
मैम पास आउट में से
Alright, the question gets dismissed. Right? आप आंसर मत बताइए, आप next question पे जाइए.
Okay. So next question to team H only. Two countries which you have hosted G-20 summit in the same year 2010. Name the countries. You have to name the countries.
B. Canada, South Korea.
Right answer. And H. Next team, team I. Okay. These. Okay. First, you have to answer the question. These two states have hosted the G-20 summit in the same year respectively. In which year have they hosted? Your options are A is 2008, option B 2010, option C 2009, and option D 2012. Option B 2009. C 2009. It is the right answer.
So this is I.
Next team.
J.
J.
Next team. Okay. So the question is from this particular slide only. You have to identify the flags.
You have to identify.
Identify the flags.
Australia and America.
नहीं हो गया
It's a wrong answer. It's wrong. One second. The pass goes to K. Team K कहाँ है? हाँ. Answer.
Second one is of USA and first one is
Okay, we got 2-3 chances to answer. Zero again. Move on to the next team.
K के बाद क्या?
ट्रांसफर थोड़ी होगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा ना एक तो हो गया पास नहीं बट ये पास थोड़ी होगा मैम एक बार तो हो गया ना पास
दो बार pass हो गए।
हाँ हाँ बेटा
Okay, next question. Who was the president of China when they hosted the G20 summit in 2016?
CGK.
Yeah. Correct answer. So
L gets a point.
and
M. Team M कहाँ है?
your question is from this slide only. Ma'am, हमसे तो पास आउट क्वेश्चन पूछा था, अपना क्वेश्चन तो पूछा ही नहीं।
You missed K.
वही पास.
चलो आप K के.
Sorry. Okay, so I'll ask a question from this side. Which year he took up the presidency? The person.
क्या बोल रही है
G20 presidency पूछ रही हो? No.
अपनी कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट
हाँ, उसने अपनी कंट्री की प्रेसिडेंसी कब ली थी? That's right.
But ये G20 के किसे? Doesn't matter. We are talking about G20 countries also.
Okay, I'll give you options for that also. Okay. Option number A 2014, option number B 2016, option number C 2013, option number D 2012. 2012.
मनीषा 13
अब L का भी हो चुका है. The last team is M. The question passes to team M for this. Which year? Yeah.
A option A is 2015, option B is 2017, option C is 2013, and option D is 2012.
2013.
2013 is the right answer.
So they get a bonus point. And now the question goes to you.
Okay. Identify the man who has handed over the hammer to PM and is also the president of Indonesia. Wrong.
One second. Yes. Team A.
एक मिनट कैसे राउंड
PM के बाद फर्स्ट टीम में जाएगा ना हितेन?
मैम बट अच्छा चलो
Obviously,
अगर वैसे तो मैम सीधा बात है तो राउंड खत्म हो जाएगा
हम
सीधा बात है तो राउंड खत्म हो जाएगा मैम बाकी टीम को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी ये बोनस क्वेश्चन है ना
ये बोनस क्वेश्चन है।
ये ऑप्शन डी
नहीं ऐसे कैसे
मैम एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है
Listen to me once. Team A didn't get the chance to have a bonus question ever in the entire week, right? Every team had a chance to have a bonus question.
Obviously, they never had it. Because if we get some question, so it will pass on to
Students, listen.
Yes.
Team A के पास get the chance. Yeah. So team A will get the chance.
Option D.
Option D. Jogo Widodo. Yes.
That's the right.
Now we'll end this.
Now the round has ended.
And in this round, I think you guys are aware. From round 3, there will be less teams going. This is the elimination
So
round.
the final scores after round 2. लक्ष्य पहले आप
नीचे लिख दो,
round 2 के बाद final scores लिखें.
जा
Rest of the teams who are left, they have to go back as an audience.
Big round of applause for the team selected. And thank you all for participating. You need not go right now because आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ हम गिफ्ट देने वाले हैं. ठीक है? All the teams participating will get the certificate and
The teams who have participated,
all right
the teams who have participated will get a certificate and gift says round 3. In this round also, to keep the fairness, each team will be asked specific questions, okay? And one question each team is our agenda. So the previous pattern will be followed. If you do not answer it correctly, it will be passed on. And if they also do not answer it correctly, then the question is done. Fine? Round 3. So the question in this round will be asked from the Indian presidency of the G-20. Okay? And the question number 1 is to team A. Where is team A? Okay. Question number 1. India has formally assumed the presidency of G20 on A. December 1st, 2022. B. January 1st, 2023. C. March 1st, 2023. D. December 15, 2022. Option A. Yes, it is the right answer. Okay. Now, team B. Question number 2. What is the theme of India's G20 presidency 2023? Option A, one earth, one nature. Option B, one earth, one family, one nature. Option C, one earth, one future. Option D, one earth, one family, one nature.
Option B.
Option
B. One future वाला.
It is the correct answer. Option, okay, now question number 2C, team C, where is team C? Okay, it's not C, it's D. Team D. Who will host the 18th G20 summit? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Japan. Option C, India. Option D, South Africa. It is the wrong answer.
India.
The question to team E now. What is the agenda of G20's India's presidency? A. Inclusive, ambitious, action-oriented. B. Inclusive and action-oriented. C. Inclusive and sustainable development. D. Inclusive, ambitious and development-oriented.
कितना टाइम है? एक मिनट
It is the right answer. Okay, next question is to Team G. Where is Team G? Okay. The question is, who decided the G20 presidency? Option A, developed nations. Option B, developing nations. Option C, both A and B. Option D, members of G20.
Alright, nobody is speaking among themselves and I need silence here. No prompting of the answers also.
Option A is developed nations. Option B is developing nations. Option C, both. Option D, members of G20.
C both A and B.
Wrong.
Alright, this question is
Team H.
Team H. D.
Members of the G20. Yes, it is the right answer. Now the question to Team G. Consider the following statement regarding the India's G20 presidency. You will be given 3 statements, okay, as it is mentioned, and you have to find out the correct ones. Fine. So the first statement is to accelerate the integration of MSMEs in global trade. Second, India offers the world life. Third, focus on bringing women in leading positions. And your options are only A and only 1 and 2, only 1 and 3, only 2 and 3, or all.
Statements which are correct.
Statements which are correct.
इसमें नीचे ऑप्शन है बी सी में पूछो बताओ
No prompting of the answers and no discussions.
D, it is the right answer. Moving on to next team, the team is Team I. Okay. Team I. Your question is, what is the aim of India's G20 presidency? Inclusive development, sustainable development, universal sense of oneness, universal sense of environment. Option C. Correct answer. Okay. Next team, we have Team L. Where is Team L? Your question is GDP share of G20 countries in the world. A 60%, B 70%, C 80%, D 83%.
80%.
Correct answer.
वेरी करता हूँ
It was a tough question.
When was the G20 Digital Innovation Alliance was launched by India? A 28th of December 2022, B 15 November 2022, C 3rd January 2023. Option A is the correct answer.
You have question?
I have just one question.
You have one question. Can we open it for the
नहीं
audience?
मैम
Let's do this. Let's ये करते placard वाला करते हैं.
नहीं मैम वो गलत होता है मैम मैम विदाउट मार्क्स रख लो विदाउट मार्क्स
Without marks नहीं, तभी तो हम ऑडियंस के लिए ओपन कर रहे हैं.
हाँ ऑडियंस को करना तो हम नहीं है फिर ऑडियंस में
हाँ तो ऑडियंस बोलना भी है और the last question is for the audience. So gift मिलेगा 6 marks.
You will not be back. in the competition, but you can get a reward or something.
Alright, so all the audience जो पीछे बैठे हैं जो participate कर भी नहीं रहे हैं और आ जाएं college. Alright.
So the question is, what is the theme of the G20 summit happening in India? A. Shaping of the
I told you.
अरे ये भी खाते चिप्स तेरे को तो पसंद नहीं है
Alright. Continue.
Okay, elimination. We'll take 5 minutes for elimination, okay? Small issue. We have a tiebreaker between you three. To take you to the next round. Okay? आप तीनों में से कोई एक ही टीम नेक्स्ट राउंड में जाएगी, तो उसके लिए we have to play a tiebreaker round. ठीक है?
The three teams, can you just take the seats in the front और बाकी सब थोड़ा सा देर के लिए पीछे चले जाएं. कौन है team B, team I and team L. आप भी थोड़ा सा पीछे रखना.
Participants, I want to make it clear to you.
हमारे यहाँ तो यहाँ पे बैठ के हंसते हैं नहीं मुझे टेंशन
Okay, teams B, I and L. I have to make it very clear. The tiebreaker round question will not be.
I would request everyone to go at the back. यहाँ पे मुझे कोई दिखे ना तभी मेरे को कोई confusion ना हो. थोड़ा सा पीछे चले जाओ अभी के लिए, then we call you. We then get up and move around. Sir, please come in the front.
Team.
These are the three teams. What I said.
Students, one thing, ये जो टीम में जो भी टीम जीतेगी, उसके स्कोर आगे नहीं जाएंगे.
It is just the qualification for the last round.
Okay.
Right? So whoever is giving the correct answer and fast is going for the next round, and other two teams are getting eliminated. Okay. So this is an elimination round game, last round.
You can even impose penalty for the wrong answer.
नहीं नहीं एक ही क्वेश्चन है मैम, उसमें जिसने सही दे दिया वही. चलो ठीक है. एक ही क्वेश्चन है अभी के लिए, तो अगर कुछ डिस्क्रिपेंसी होगी तो we'll see. This is right.
Okay, the tiebreaker question to three of you. Which country will host the 19th G20 summit in 2024? A. Brazil, B. Argentina, C. Mexico, D. Canada.
It was team I.
It is the right answer.
Team I goes to the final round. Rest of the participants, so how many लिखते जाना है the answers whichever as per you are the correct. So write question number 1 and the correct. Okay? ऐसे आपको चलना है, जितने भी questions पूछे जा रहे हैं उसके correct answers you have to tell in the given time. ठीक है? Then we will evaluate your answer sheet. जिसके सबसे ज़्यादा marks होंगे they are the winner. Right? If there is any tie, then we will see. Right? So right now this is what we are going.
Please mention your team.
Write your team number clearly. Team alphabet actually. It's the alphabet. All right. Siddharth, are you ready? Let's start.
Rapid fire round. The first question is, what percentage of population in the world under G20 countries? A 50%, B 60%, C 65%, D 70%. Question number 2. The unique initiative by the Department of Science and Technology to support digital documentation and interpretation of India's tangible and intangible heritage. Option A, the Indian Digital Heritage Project. The option B, the Indian Digital Cultural Database Project. C, the Indian Cultural Technology Project, Database of Culture. Question number 3. The 1954 Convention of the Protection of Cultural Property in the event of armed conflict is known as Brussels Convention, Hague Convention, Frankfurt Convention, or Geneva Convention. Question number 4. Which of the following are part of intangible cultural heritage? Museums and historical places, customs and traditions, spiritual beliefs and religions, and all of the above. Question number 5. In which country the first WHO Global Center of Traditional Medicine established in 2022? India, Germany, UK, or US? Question number 6. When was the G-20 formed? 1990, 1992, 1995, 1999. Question number 7. Which of the following city organized this recent G-20 summit held in 2022? A. Bali, New Delhi, Singapore, Tokyo. Question number 8. What is the theme of the 17th G-20 summit 2022? Human-centered future society, making the world together, recover together,
Can I have silence in the background?
recover together, recover healthier. Question number 9. Which international bank has India invited for a G-20 presidency? Islamic Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. Question number 10. How many countries are invited as the guest country in the G-20 Summit 2023? 9, 2, 1 and 7. Question number 11. India is assuming the presidency of the G-20 for A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 5 years. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a member of the G-20? Indonesia, Singapore, Mexico, Turkey.
That's it.
Correct. Read some of the key names.
टोटल मार्क्स ही ऐड
एक ही गलत तो कर दो
सारे राउंड से आ जाएंगे
और दो और एक क्वेश्चन में 2 नंबर तो दिए नहीं आंसर भी होगा तो फिर जो आपको 4 मार्क्स इसमें तो ठीक है बट हमारे 3 नंबर ज्यादा है आगे चलेंगे हमारे 3 नंबर ज्यादा है एक नंबर ज्यादा बट कैलकुलेशन
मुझे ये बताओ
Yes, will that sheet
शिविका एक बार इसकी जियो टैग बेटा शिविका टेक द जियो टैग फॉर द स्कोर एक बार डायरेक्टर साहब को बुला लेते हैं फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स टिल द टाइम यू राइट दिस सर्टिफिकेट बेटा राइट सर्टिफिकेट और सर्टिफिकेट और पहले लिख लो तब हम एक फाइनल राउंड की पिक्चर बैठो भाई फाइनलिस्ट शिविका एक फाइनलिस्ट की पिक्चर बेटा बैठो लक्ष्य उससे पूछ उसकी स्पेलिंग पूछ के
नहीं मैं नहीं कहूँगा
एक सेकेंड नहीं शिविका फोटो ले रही है यार शिविका फोटो ले रही इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग सर बंद कर दीजिए कहाँ है सर ये ले भी क्या रहे हैं अभी इस टाइम इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कैसे करते हैं कुछ मतलब से हट जाओ हमको वीडियो इसको बंद कैसे करते हैं सर को बुलाओ इसको बंद करवाओ ना यू हैव दैट शीट इसको पार्टिसिपेंट्स ये लो इस तरफ बस You don't have the scope for errors, remember? देखो हमारे पास 4 ही हैं। एक शिविका को दे दे क्या कर रहे हैं? सर एक बार सर को बुलाओ इसको बंद कर दीजिए सर अभी क्या है बंद कर दो फिर लास्ट में चलो अभी रुक जाओ 2 मिनट की राइस सेरेमनी होगी ना 28 अभी नहीं आप बंद कर दो